In this video, we explore an innovative concept that is redefining the conventional blockchain model. This new approach, known as BlockDAG, block-directed acyclic graph, is being praised as a significant advancement in decentralized technology. We will clarify what BlockDAG means in simple language, discuss its potential for faster and more scalable solutions compared to blockchain, and showcase a real project, the BlockDAG Network, that is actively working on this with a freshly launched testnet. If you find terms like DAG daunting, fear not. You'll grasp the crucial ideas and their relevance to the crypto ecosystem by the end. Let's start with a fundamental question. What are the shortcomings of blockchains? Traditional blockchains, such as Bitcoin and Ethereum, add blocks sequentially along a single chain. Picture a one-lane road where only one car block progresses at a time. This creates a bottleneck. There's a limited number of transactions per block, with blocks added at fixed intervals. When demand surges, this results in sluggish throughput and elevated fees. Think of Ethereum's peak fees of $50. Enter BlockDAG. Instead of a single chain, imagine a multi-lane highway where blocks can be generated simultaneously while still connecting to the overall ledger. DAG stands for Directed Acyclic Graph, describing a network structure that branches out and merges but does not loop back. In a block DAG, multiple blocks can be processed at once without waiting, as long as they reference and confirm one another within the graph's framework. The outcome? Enhanced transaction speeds, reduced costs, and significant scalability, all while experiencing minimal congestion during peak usage. One key project pursuing this vision is the BlockDAG network. They're building a new Layer 1 system that employs this DAG framework combined with proof-of-work consensus, similar to Bitcoin but structured as a DAG. Recently, the BlockDAG team rolled out their beta testnet, offering more than just a demo. It's a fully operational platform showcasing impressive statistics. Over 2,000 transactions per second, compatibility with the Ethereum virtual machine, EVM for developers wanting to shift Ethereum dApps, and a user-friendly tool for deploying smart contracts without coding. Their goal is to achieve the speed and capacity that current blockchains struggle to provide while ensuring decentralization and security. The progress made by the BlockDAG network is turning heads. During their latest event, Keynote 3, they unveiled astonishing figures. They secured over $210 million in pre-sales, highlighting considerable investor interest, and they have gathered a community of more than 800,000 users on their X1 Miner app. For a project still in its testnet phase, these achievements are remarkable, signaling high expectations. They assert that this is no mere concept. They possess real infrastructure, not just theoretical outlines. Their update boldly states, "The future isn't blockchain, it's BlockDAG." They envision transforming Web3 by eliminating the constraints that traditional blockchains face. Now, let's delve into why BlockDAG could be superior. Consider Bitcoin in comparison to BlockDAG. Bitcoin creates a block every 10 minutes, one at a time. If two miners discover a block simultaneously, one block becomes orphaned, thus wasting efforts. In a DAG, if two blocks emerge at once, both can coexist and refer to each other later, meaning that no work is wasted, and the network avoids choosing one while discarding the other. This translates to improved efficiency and eliminates slowdowns as the network expands. Additionally, it leads to faster confirmations. Since blocks intertwine, you could obtain confirmations in seconds rather than waiting for a lengthy new chain. Projects like IOTA and Nano have employed DAG technology, though they differ from BlockDAGs utilizing POW. Another example is Kaspa, a cryptocurrency utilizing a variant of BlockDAG for an incredibly fast proof-of-work network, which has demonstrated the effectiveness of this model. The BlockDAG network seems to be taking this concept even further by ensuring EVM compatibility and a developer-friendly environment from the beginning. For intermediate investors, what does this imply? It suggests monitoring new architectural developments. While today's crypto landscape is dominated by blockchains, future innovations may rely on multi-lane DAG systems if they prove their worth. It's akin to the evolution from dial-up to broadband internet. Once a faster technology emerges, users will migrate. If BlockDAG or comparable networks can showcase dependable security and decentralization with thousands of transactions per second, They could attract decentralized app developers requiring high throughput. Think gaming, social networks, and high-frequency trading on the blockchain. This could, in turn, enhance the value of the associated token, in this case likely the BDAG token for the BlockDAG network. While being an early adopter of such technology may be profitable, it also presents risks. Not all better models achieve widespread acceptance or prove invulnerable to attacks. What challenges does the BlockDAG methodology face? One is complexity. Implementing DAG-based consensus can complicate matters. If not designed correctly, it might be harder to safeguard against specific attacks. Moreover, existing blockchain ecosystems like Ethereum enjoy significant network effects. It's not easy to convince developers and users to migrate to a new platform unless the benefits are substantial. EVM compatibility aids, as developers can deploy existing smart contracts, but it's essential to ensure that their needs align with the platform. The substantial fundraising and growing user base of the BlockDAG team indicates strong community engagement and marketing. However, the true test will come after the mainnet launch. Can they foster genuine usage beyond speculation? They make impressive claims about high speeds, lack of congestion, and presumably low fees. Currently, the BlockDAG network is in beta with incentives for testers, including a reward pool for participants. If you're passionate about crypto, you might want to explore their testnet for a first-hand experience of the speed. Their team likely intends to move towards a mainnet launch once testing confirms stability. With their substantial fundraising, they have the resources for development. Remember that other prominent projects like Solana and Algorand also promised high throughput. Some technically delivered but faced other issues, such as outages or centralization concerns. We will need to see whether BlockDAG can also offer reliability. In conclusion, BlockDAG technology represents a new frontier for achieving scalability in crypto by utilizing parallel blocks instead of linear chains. The BlockDAG network stands out as a notable example of this vision in action, already achieving thousands of transactions per second and demonstrating notable momentum through an active testnet and large community. This is certainly a space to monitor if you're intrigued by the future architecture of crypto. Could BlockDAG lay the groundwork for the next generation of Web3? If it operates as promised, it might just become the superhighway that surpasses the limitations of single-lane blockchains. Stay alert to this trend. Today's niche technology could transform into tomorrow's accepted standard in the rapidly evolving world of crypto. Description: is blockchain becoming obsolete? A new technology named BlockDAG offers a quicker, scalable alternative to traditional blockchains. In this video, we dissect what BlockDAG entails and why it holds promise as the next significant breakthrough in crypto. Discover how BlockDAG architecture enables simultaneous block creation to alleviate congestion and achieve speeds exceeding 2,000 transactions per second. We feature the BlockDAG Network, a project that has just initiated its testnet and raised over $210 million in its pursuit of building a blockchain superhighway. Will BlockDAG technology revolutionize crypto and decentralized finance, DeFi? We unpack the potential benefits, including rapid transactions, low fees, and sizable scalability challenges on the horizon. If you're curious about the future of blockchain technology or seeking the next trending crypto to follow, tune in to catch up on BlockDAG and the buzz surrounding it.